to move you from where you are, save you 2 years, 5 years of your life and change your life like this. That is what is the real life. Now that is extraordinary you as far as I am concerned. While the step one is to understand that Rohini, success for me is starting a business, going up the job, having financial freedom, having better relationships. These are success for each one of you, yes? Yes or no? Yes? Yes, if that is success for you, then the next most important thing becomes that what is limiting you from being that successful? And most of you are limited by a lot of fear. Fear of failure, fear of financial freedom, fear of clarity, fear of guidance, fear of making mistakes, fear of losing the comfort zone. There is a lot of fear. So how do you overcome that fear? How do you overcome that impact that it has on you, that it's not taking you ahead? And when you overcome that fear, then becomes your most important game, which is to get you what you desire, to move you from where you are, save you 2 years, 5 years of your life and change your life like this. That is what is the real life. Now that is extraordinary you as far as I am concerned. And as far as I know it, most of you now understand what success is, and that's all. And you'll go back home and you'll say, I would be successful if, and then continues your life again. But anything, knowledge without action is zero. And I remember telling this to the VIP guys when I was sitting with them, that you can take your potential, frame it and put it up the wall, because unless you use your potential is worth nothing. And that is the truth. So what is that goal? What have we been doing since morning? I've been taking you through the journey since morning to tell you what you are capable of and how far you can go. And if you only find yourself that system and you find yourself that coach, I'm not really concerned if you want to work with me or not work with me. I, as it is, don't work with too many people. I work with a handful of people who are serious about making that massive shift, because anything that's not massive, I don't understand. And then I tell this to people that work with me, don't work with me, it doesn't matter. But work with yourself and find yourself that system and that coach that will change your life. Then he will ask me that how do I know if the coach is right? And then I'm going to tell you that you don't find them every nook and corner, which is why you are living the mediocre life. Because if you did, your life would be different. But then what we do is every time we get that opportunity, we are sitting there and wondering, oh, should I not, will I not, can I not? And then comes the whole conversation all over again. So I'm just telling each one of you here that each one of you might have, no matter what your limiting beliefs are, no matter how you are wired, rewire yourself so that you can go towards finding the purpose of your life. So you don't wake up every morning with the feeling that there is something missing. I've put together this exclusive checklist of how you can be a part of the system, and I'm going to give that away to you because I want you to impact the world and I want you to gain that financial freedom which you absolutely deserve. If you are someone who wants to know more, then click on the link below and register for this upcoming webinar, because trust me, the world needs you today more than it's ever needed you. So let's turn your dreams into reality and let's talk about how you can launch yourself in this industry as an extraordinary coach.